Hey, what's up guys? This is James Dean with B&B in Kentucky. Just got done with a really cool ride on Saturday. I was able to use my GoPro 7, so I was really excited to find a mount that works for me. Thank you to everyone out there that commented or said, hey, here's what I use. I love it. I am going to share this really cool mount that I got that I think super cool. So anyway, check it out. This is the mount that I received. I ended up getting it off Amazon. I will post a link down in the comments. I am not an affiliate for Amazon. I just happened to find this one. I really like it. It was a really good price, so I'll have to check it out. But let's just do a little bit of review. First thing that I noticed when I got it was heavy. I'm like, well, that's good. It's not some cheap plastic. It is metal with for the handlebars. You can see in there, it gives it a rubber protective mount for your bars. I've got black bars, so I don't want to scratch up. This part is still metal. Only thing of plastic on it is when you get to the mount up here and then you use GoPro accessories, which most of them are, you know, a plastic of some sort. I did put an extension on mine so that, as you can see here, so that I can get it above my windshield. It's really kind of cool. I just a little bit ago I had to clean off some bug guts. It was nasty. Let's go see how it looks on the bike. All right, so here's my 2013 Street Glide. And as you notice, my handlebars set up a little bit higher. They've got a rise to them. And so here is where I mount it, right here on this handlebar. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up using one hand, so I can't do this right now. So I'll come back and you'll see the final product. But all I did was take it and attach it to the handlebar like so. After I have put it on here, as you can see, looks pretty solid on there. Remember, my bike is at an angle right now because of the kickstand. You have a couple different points that you can adjust. This one right here will adjust the actual rotation of the ball, and then I have another one that will adjust the other angle. So you have multiple different points to change, so you can get that going at different, just different angles that will suit you. I did put it off to the right, so you do kind of get an image, not straight on. It didn't really bother me. The things I did learn about this is the next thing I gotta work on is running power consistently over to your GoPro, because I really messed up. I had to change batteries out, lost my footage. So I'm gonna run an accessory over to the GoPro so it continues to run non-stop. I know on the GoPro 7 you can clip the battery cover off so it makes it not waterproof, but I can also run a line over this so it'll keep going. I won't have to use batteries. I can save the batteries for any other type of movement. Overall, I give this particular adapter a 10 out of 10. Again, I'll post a link down there so you can see it too. I loved it. It was great. I rode for 12 hours, didn't have one lick of problem. It was easy, simple, and it was very, very, very inexpensive. So I won't say how much it is on here because it changes in price, but you can check the link. It's very affordable. It was under 50 bucks. Peace out.